Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Grandma Indras Recipes. Today we are going to see a healthy breakfast menu. A yummy breakfast which I like more, bread toast. Now we will see what all are the ingredients. Let's see. Today I took 3 slices of bread. 2 for me and 1 for my brother. 100 ml of milk, egg, 3 tablespoons of sugar. Now we will see how to make bread toast. Let's go. Put the egg in the bowl. Now add 4 tablespoons of sugar. Now mix it well. Now add milk. Now mix it again. Now light the stove. Now place the pan. Little ghee. Now dip the bread into the batch. Now put the bread into the pan. Be careful, it should not get burned. Turn the side. Wow. Look how the color changes. It looks so yummy. Now turn it again. Now it is done. Let's keep it in the plate. Like this, you have to do the other 2 pieces too. Our yummy breakfast is ready with a cup of milk. If you like this recipe, try this at home and send me a feedback. We can have our breakfast now. Yeah, let's see. So good. If you like my recipe, please subscribe, like and comment and send me a feedback. Bye. See you in the next video soon. Bye everyone.